It's Tokoroma once again. Today I'll be showing you how to manage your trade while you're in one. This work in any time frame that you are comfortable with. For this example, I will be showing a 5-minute intraday trade. I'll be showing you how to follow your current trade trends and how to move in your stop loss to take a loss or a profit, whichever work. Whichever comes first, a loss, how to move your stop loss to take a profit or to reduce your loss, either way. So let's get started right away. I'm going to start in a 5-minute sample, 5-minute time frame, and I would like to let you guys know before I start that what I normally trying to do here is I'm not trying to confuse no one. I just trying to show you how to manage your trade, okay? And my intention is for everyone who is listening to find their own purpose behind trading. We all want the same, guys. We are on the same team here. We are all in the same team. We want the freedom of time. We doing it for the money, but not really. You're really doing it to control your own time and make your own decision. So trading is actually a decision making skill. So I'm gonna show you the 5-minute in and out trade that I use. Okay, so right now I have Charles Schwab Corporation. I'm gonna start with that. I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna go into 2 hours, and I'm gonna figure out the current trend. What is the current trend happening? I'm gonna remove all this for now. I'm gonna put it all the way back there. So I'm gonna reset this. Let's get started. So I'm in the 2 hours. So I'm gonna sum this in like this, and I'm gonna figure out what's the current trend. This is how I find out trend. Create this. Right this. And one, I could do it here too, little one. This is a 2 hours. I don't want to go all over, but I'm gonna put it right here. Actually, I'm just gonna keep these two to make it simple. It's one trend, two trend, and all this here in the 2 hours for me is considered corrections or range, however you want to name it. Some people call it correction, others call it range. The market is trading in range, and the range here would be this one. This is the high, and this is the low. So from here to here, this is a correction of range. This is a swing high, 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 high. It's right there. And I'm gonna put up lower lows right there. High, low, lower high, higher low, higher low, and lower low now. This is a lower low, and this is a lower high. Changing now to a lower high. Okay, so now I can tell that this trade is a downtrend. In the 5-minute, I'm looking to go short. I am looking to go short in the 5-minute. So let me go straight to 5-minute, which I already know I'm looking short. I might do the little boxes again, just to find the trend because it's all the way back there. So here, let me go way back. Let me go back to the boxes. So where you guys I'm gonna use this. Where will I join as a downtrend here in a 5-minute? I already created this line. This line means that broke the swing low all the way down here. That's what this means. Oh, I gotta go all the way low, I guess. Probably won't let me. But in the 4 hours, you show. Sorry, guys. This is a practice account anyway. So here it's showing me in the 4 hours or in the 2 hours that I was or whatever. This is that. It broke this one. This line tell me that right here it's an opportunity to go low, to join this trend going low right here. The breakout. People trade breakouts. So I'm going to go to a 5-minute. I'm going to find that up. this line right here. This is a breakout. So I normally in a 5 minute, I'll find this out. This is a breakout. This is what happened. This is the 5 minute swing. And this is the other 5 minute swing that broke this all the way down here. I hope you guys following. If any questions, please feel free. So this is the swing, or whatever you want to call it, boom, boom. And this is the corrections, or the range. Market is ranging from here, from this low to this high range. So this is broke down the swing. So for me, this will give me the first go ahead to join. And some people would pick this whole big thing. That would be okay to pick that big thing, depending on your loss, your risk tolerance. Okay. So let's say we entry, write down. So your entry is right here. Stop loss is above here, wherever you want. Always got to be above. And then your target for this one will be this box right here, because this is the lower. So I'll put target right here. Put it right there. So this will be my 5 minutes. My 5 minutes trade. Entry, stop, target. All right, let's say we make this trade. Let's see what happened. So here we got picked. Not this, all this thing happened already. So you will not join the trend. You will not like buy anywhere. You know what I mean? You had to wait. You got to be patient. So here is your entry. Put it right here. Here's your entry. Here's your stop. So in this case, it picked you right here. That little thing. It picked you right there, and it's dropped down. Okay. So in a 5 minute zone, this is what I would do. So look, it hit and it dropped down a little. So now you in the trade. Now you will move your stop loss as you go. If you're watching this in a 5 minutes, so remember the target is down there. I'm gonna leave it here. Let's see what happened if we would have left it to go into the target. Oops. So here we go. Entry and target. So you got in here. So now there's two things you can do. You can leave the trade alone and don't do nothing, or you can manage your trade. In this case, I'm showing you how to manage it. Okay. So in this case, you will take the stop loss. There's people that will bring the stop loss and bring it to your entry. I mean, you lose nothing. You only pay your commission. People do that. Okay. When you remove the entry, people will move your stop loss there after you in, but that truly you gain nothing out of it because the trade's still moving. So there's this move here. You see how this move came down all the way up to here. So there's people will bring the stop loss up to here because this created kind of little thing. And that way you already profit a little bit of money. Not everything, but a little bit. So that way you manage your stop loss, you profit some money, and then you just kind of like work you out, took you away right here. We kind of came back, but it never went up. So you would have kept that running. That would be a way of moving your stop loss. So you could have left it there, and you would have profit some money, but you wouldn't profit exactly what your targets was all the way down here. So let me just bring this to see what happened. Let's say we left our stop loss over here and see how the trade turned out. I'm going to put it this way so it could look better. In this case, it picked you, it would have hit the target. That would have been a win trade. Entry, stop, target. But if you would have brought your stop loss, you also could have done it this way. There's no wrong or right. Okay, you could have brought your stop loss. You saw this first wick here. You would have put it right there, stop loss. And then you would have been out of this trade already right here. But you missed out. You left money on the table. And we do that a lot. Everyone do it. There's no perfect trade. Okay. Or you could just let that alone, or you could have keep managing and keep bringing the stop loss right here. And then if target it hit, you could have just brought it here. You would be okay. In and out. And now we waiting. Now our job is for this particular market, we gotta wait what happened next. Right now we're in a correction mode, so you already made some money. You will not join this trend no more. You wait to see what happened. And while we waiting for it in a 5 minute, we are waiting for this to clear. All this thing to clear. Something gotta happen here. This is all become a correction. This is all correction move or range. 5 minutes. So while we're waiting here to happen is we are waiting for the market to continue going lower. If this break down, this line here, then we allow it to go lower. If this keep going up and break this thing up here, with this is the swing low, the control swing high, then we allow it to go up. And that's how I do it, in and outs. I hope that was helpful, guys. And if you have any question, any comment, let me know. And I'll continue making videos.